stuck on Mars. You know I'm stuck on.
So we just got back to the entrance and we finished the scavenger hunt. Oh my gosh. Sotok. Let's go. So right now we're waiting outside of a Publix in a parking garage, which is the weirdest thing. I've never had this experience before. Like, yeah, we're waiting for my mom and my star. Yeah. So we're gonna go back to the hotel after this, and then tomorrow is the concert. So it's the morning of the concert. We're going to Jiung to get some food. We're going to leave the concert actually at 6 p.m. because it starts at 7:30 and doors open at 6:30. So keep the fuck on. So, because we got the news that the thing was cancelled, I have money to spend. Oh, I'm getting myself a p1ece lightstick. Because I'm not in debt anymore. So, I'm too excited to do it when we're not in a moving vehicle. So, I'm going to open the lightstick now. Plus on already, but that's what it said. So you know, it's different card. Hold on. Okay. It spins. Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh. Oh. Doesn't matter anymore. So this is the p1ece. And he has like batteries. Should I have batteries? Whoa! Keo, what are you doing here? Get a photo card, but crazy. Come on. Disregard the paint.
Yeah, like actually saying it.
Very nerdy. Wait, I think I got one of each member. So this is Kiho's tail. And then Jiung, utop, and then Sol. Yeah, you get a photo card of each member with the lightstick. There are no batteries. Well. Bye. One. Okay. So there's 8 colors. So white, red, orange, yellow, green. That's not green. Blue, purple, indigo, and purple.
I fly from Mars. You know I fly from Mars. But now I fly from Mars.